Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever received a call from a number you don't recognize and wondered who it was? In today's video, I'll introduce you to Jotizo, a tool that helps you find publicly available information about phone numbers quickly and easily. Before we begin, I want to make one thing clear. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Jotizo only provides publicly accessible information, and it should be used responsibly. Always make sure you follow the privacy laws in your country. Jotizo is a reverse phone lookup tool designed to help you find out if a phone number is linked to any publicly available details. If a number is listed in public records, Jotizo can retrieve that information for you. It's important to remember that Jotizo does not provide private or sensitive data. It only gathers information that's legally accessible online. How to use Jotizo? Go to the Jotizo website and type in the phone number you want to search for. Press the Search Now button to start the lookup process. Wait for the search to finish. Jotizo will scan multiple sources, so give it a few moments to gather the data. Once the search is done, a page will appear with the gathered details. To unlock the information, click on the See Results Now button. To fully access the details, you'll need to complete 2 quick tasks. These tasks might require you to install an app or play a game for a short period. Once you've completed the tasks, the information will be fully visible and accessible. In my case, I was asked to install TikTok and use it for a short time. The second task required me to download a game and play it briefly. These tasks are usually very easy to complete. Since Jotizo pulls data from public sources, the accuracy of the information may vary. It's a useful tool for checking unknown numbers, especially for identifying potential scam or spam calls. Always use this tool responsibly. And if you're unsure about local regulations, be sure to check them before using services like this. And that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more useful tech tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next one.